Howdy YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Gunman Raw. So today we're going to be doing another clear coat video. This video in and of itself, nothing that special. Go on, click off now. Nothing you probably haven't seen 100 times before. No, I'm just joking. I say that because the only reason I'm doing this is because, well, I did a base coat video, so I thought may as well follow it up with a clear coat video on the same car. And the main reason I did a base coat video is just because I wanted to show you guys just another PPG 1 visit video. Yeah, that's about it. So the clear I'm using is clear that I really don't like. It's the 105 clear, the PPG LVC 105 clear. I don't like it because it's not what I would call a good clear. But I'm using it because this is a loan car of ours, and I just want to get rid of this clear. We've got like that last can of clear, and I just want to get it out of my hair. What are you talking about out of your hair? You haven't got any hair, Gunny. No, I've been holding on to scraps for a long time now. It's been like the slowest of slow burns, my hair loss. Got that receding hairline. It started when I was like 20 years old. I've got a photo of my 21st, and you can see the hairline starting to recede. So I've had enough time to come to grips with it, and I don't care. And also, like, I've just got a little bit, you know, it's not that bad. Whatever. You didn't come here to listen to me talk about my hair, or lack thereof. So yeah, the 105 clear, I really don't like it. I'm looking forward to the day I'll never have to use it again. This gun here is the DV1C1 1.2. I've found the 105 clear, you can't overdo it with the 105 clear, because it'll just run, or solvent boil. There's only a certain way you can spray this clear, or you're just going to have, yeah, more troubles than it's worth. So pretty much go straight away with your second coat. One coat, straight away with the second coat. I've got the boost up to 30 degrees Celsius. I think it's like 72. Don't quote me on that. You bloody Americans. Nah, I love you. I love you. I love America. One of the few Aussies that actually likes America. There's like a real hatred of America. Oh, I don't know if you'd say a hatred, but I guess somewhat of a competition or whatever you want to call it. I'm not one of them. These cars from factory don't even have clear coat inside the door jam. Well, they do in the jam, but not in the door itself. They just activate their clear. They leave it like that from factory. I'm not going to do that because I have a little bit more self-respect than to not put clear coat on the inside of a door. But hey, Honda, you got to save that money, right? We're not looking for anything amazing. Just make it white. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm a liter 1 litre closer to never having to use this clear again. And the funniest part about this, as much as I dislike this clear, prior to the 131 coming out, this was my favourite PPG clear. Now that's saying something. That's saying how bad PPG clears were before they brought out the 131 clear. And it's not to say they didn't have many. They had heaps. They had like 12 or 13 bloody clears. Can you just give me one good one? Well, they did answer that with the affirmative. It took them a while. 2024, they finally brought out one good clear. And then they've got a second one, which is a 177. Like, for an air dry clear, it's pretty good. It's not one of the better ones. Like, it's not the best, sorry, but it's one of the better ones. It's not the absolute best air dry clear. I'd probably give that to the Standoff Extreme clear. But as far as the 131 goes, man, that's up there with some of the Stando clears. I'd have to say that. Do the door jams first. Another early start today. I was here like before 6 o'clock. I love it, man. I love coming in early. I just wake up early sometimes and I'm like, man, I'm not just lying around in bed playing with myself for hours. Get in, get the work done, go home early. I'll sit in bed and play with myself afterwards. How's that? It's actually pretty damn good, really. Maybe too good for a Honda. Honda clear is generally pretty crappy. It's nice and clean too. What I might do is just rip this off because it was too tight to get the trim tape underneath this spot. It wouldn't go. So we'll do that. That's a nice neat edge now. Yeah, I could get the trim tape and pull that rubber back on the rest of it, but that one spot, man, it wouldn't fit under. I didn't want to play. So let's have a quick look over the job. There we go. CV1, old school C1, 1.2. I might even clean that lens a bit. Just for a final look over the job. It looks a bit hazy there, so you can see better. That's better. That's a bit more clear now. So yeah, that's the gun I used for base coat, DB1, B plus, 1.3, C1, 1.2 for clear, the 105 clear, 555, I don't know. And that's it guys, nice clean job. I love that one visit, man. Your jobs always come up that little bit cleaner. And that's why I put the blender down, the base coat blender, on the adjacent, the bit where you didn't put your colour. It sort of eliminates the sand piling. So now I'll give that like 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, and give it a bake, maybe half hour at 50 degrees, and they'll be able to put that together today. I'm pretty happy with that guys, that's a good way to start the Wednesday. Payday today, yay! Anyway guys, till next time, get out there and paint some shit. Gunman out.